V.Ramya and I am from Hosur, Tamil Nadu. My qualification is ME in Applied Electronics. After completing Masters, I was looking for a job opportunity. That time my friend suggested this E-Vision coaching, so I joined there. In E-Vision, I have learned so many skills and modules like network security, cyber security, Windows administration, Linux administration, etc. After completing this module, I got placed in HCL. I am very much excited about this offer. It's all because of E-Vision team. Without your support, I can't do this alone. I'm very much thankful to HR Deepthi ma'am and Sati ma'am and placement team who are all supported me in this journey. Thank you everyone. I would like to refer this to my friends who are looking for a job opportunity and trying to improve their career development. I would recommend this E-Vision. Thank you.